Hi everybody again, Kevin White here from drivinglessonscork.ie. Now this evening we're going to do a little video on in-car family accessories, just a few little things that could help keep the children entertained, keep the car tidy and help with maybe sunshine coming into the car. So when you're driving along, when you do get a lot of sun. Now, if you like this video, please click the like button, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, we'd more than appreciate it. We like to have people come along, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it very much. Now, the first product we're going to look at this evening is the car sunshades for your car. They go up in the window, as you all know, and they kind of block out the sunshine coming in on the little children in the back of the car. They're a handy item. We use these ourselves when our own little children were small. They just, you have suction cups at the top and they just suck onto the window and you roll down the shade then. And there's another suction cup at the bottom then to grab onto the window. You can leave the suction cup in the window and just unhook the sunshade, and it rolls back up into the top here then as well. So it actually stays in the window on the top two upper suction hooks, and when you want to use it, just roll it down and connect it to the lower suction hook at the bottom. They're very handy. So as you can see, the hooks are there, so how they hook up to the suction clips. There's good PU fabric in them, and there's a metal pole that the fabric winds round. There's a few more images now of the product, and there's product exploded view as well, taking the parts out from the packet, all the different parts inside the packet. So it's a good product. We have used it ourselves, as I said, and I can vouch for it and say it is a good product. Now, the next product we're going to take a look at is a simple little rubbish bag. This one clips onto the back of the seat, as you can see, and all the rubbish goes in here, and then you have little side pockets in the side which can take a lot of little different things that you might need in the car as you're driving along. You can't actually see the rubbish inside in the bag then when you put the rubbish in there. It is a very handy product. It clips onto the back of the seat, outside the headrest, and it hangs off the back of the driver's seat, or you can hang it off the back of the passenger seat if you wish. Very handy little product, and you can there's 10 pieces of garbage bags included, so when your bin is full, just take out your rubbish bag and dispose of it in the normal way. A few little pictures of the product there then. There's your top cover of the trash bin. It's easy to open and close with the Velcro. It's a pull tab cover. Your side handles then to lift it as well if you need to. And there's easy to store wipes, tissues and sanitizers in the side pockets, or little baby bottles if you want. If they're used baby bottles, if your baby's had the bottle or whatever, you can just put the bottles in the side and bring them home and refill them for another day. Let's see now. It's 100% leak proof as well, the bags, that's a help. There's different places you can put the bag in the car. There's a couple of accessories in terms of the straps that come with the product. You can leave the product open too if you want, like so, and it's compact and convenient. It's foldable and a space-saving product, and it's multi-purpose. It's a practical design. It has adjustable straps and a wide range of insulation. It's 100% leak proof, as I said, secure and stable, and has a space-saving storage organisation it has too. So a grand little product along with the along for the drive in the car to keep the rubbish tied up inside in the car. Now the next product then to keep the children entertained, you have the sun shades to keep the sun from coming into the car, you have the rubbish to put the rubbish in, and now you have these 9-inch dual screen portable DVDs with car headrest mounting straps, or brackets I should say, and there's 5 hours built in of a rechargeable battery into them. So you charge the product before you go, and on the trip then in the car you get 5 hours of DVDs playing if you choose to have them playing in the car. A few snaps again. There's the products. It can be used at home as well. So you can take them in from the car and use them at home if you wish. There they are, strapped up to the back seat of the car. There's a little I suppose you could say leaning kind of a bracket you can pull off from the back of the DVD if you want to have it leaning on the table at home. There's another view of the leaning bracket again, and there's a couple of bits and pieces that come with the DVD, portable DVD player as well. So a grand little product again. These are just little products that you might be useful on a trip on a family trip sometime as you go along in the car. I know myself, 'tis hard to keep the children entertained sometimes in the back of the car and keep them quiet. But on a long trip, these things would help to make a trip more comfortable for everybody in the car. So again, that's it for this evening, folks. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to our video channel too, please, if you can. As I said before, we like to have people subscribe to our channel. We've hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll try and make helpful videos to help people along with different aspects of the driving as they go along. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll talk to you again later. Bye for now.